How to clear history on Waze app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove search history on Waze application. For this, open up the Waze app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and search for the Waze application. Tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, tap on open. Now, you want to sign into your account by entering all of your credentials. Once you have been signed into your account and you want to clear history on the Waze app, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the Where To option. Now, you're going to find your home work location as well as you're going to find the recent option. Here you have all the search history. Now, if you want to remove it, simply tap and hold on that. Then tap on the remove drive option, which is the last option. Here it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the remove option. As soon as you do that, here you can see your search history has been removed. In this way, you can manually remove any of the other search histories as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.